This is it. Carroll Shelby's 427 Cobra, built by Superformance. Manufacturer of the best Cobra replica car. This car has an aluminum block 427, rated at 540 horsepower at 6,000 RPMs. Pure muscle. Nothing on the road will touch this. This will go from 0 to 129 miles an hour in 11.3 seconds. It has a suspension upgrade, hypercoil springs and Bilstein shocks, four-wheel disc brakes, independent suspension, 5-speed transmission, 3.3 rear end, and it gets 22 miles to the gallon because it only weighs 2,400 pounds. There's no rocket science here. Some things just get meaner when they get older. Oh, and by the way, it's for sale. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds.